What's up? We're back here in Investograms, and today we're going to discuss to you one of the most talked about indicators in social media right now. So, this is the combination of the EMA 13 and the MA 20. So, again, like our previous discussion, this is a crossover system. So, how does it work? So, just for the beginners so that we could illustrate. So, the idea is you're using two moving averages, the 13-day EMA exponential moving average and the 20-day simple moving average. So the 13-day is the red line and the 20-day is the blue line. So when the shorter day moving average crosses above the 20-day moving average, the longer day, the longer time frame moving average, that equates to a buy signal. So in illustration, let's give you an example. Here in now, we get this cross in this area, so that's a buy signal for us at around 0.72 to 0.75. So if you bought using this simple system, that equates to almost tripling your money. Not bad, right? In less than 1 month probably. So let's check out the system on other place. So example CPM. We get this cross again, and then it spikes up from 0.60 plus to maximum of 0.80, 0.88. Not bad, right? What else? Vita, one of the recent names that has spiked. We can see here we get that cross again, the red line going above the blue line. So that's your cross, that's your buy signal. It crosses around 0.80 to 0.83. So example we bought there, that's instantly a 40% gain, assuming you held for 1 day. But yeah, I hope you guys were able to sell your Vita shares because this candle doesn't look good. All right, so congrats to those who made money, and to those who still have this, good luck. Now, nowadays, in the past few weeks, we've been getting lots of requests. Sir, can you put the 13-day EMA combination with a 20-day moving average? So, because we want to provide you with the best service, now we have it in our Investa Screener. So, how does it work? You just go to the screener again if you already have access in our app tabs. And then you go to EMA 13. You look for that. And now search for the combination, its combo. Search for the combination, the 20-day SMA, simple moving average. So we have different metrics here, but let's look for the basic one, the crossing. Okay, so here in this option, the 13-day moving average crosses or just crossed above the 20-day. This is the signal that we discussed a while ago. So let's look at it and see if the system would give us any results. 8 records. Wow. So let's check it out. You can sort this by value if you want to know the liquidity of the stocks, or you can sort this by percentage change from the last day to see which ones have the most potential, I guess, depending on your strategy. So here, let's look at it. Ali, Emperador, DNL, Shang, MWC, Coal, FDC, and IPO. So Ali, that's just a basic name. Let's skip that, but let's try to check out EMP. There, we get the cross and high volume, but it closed on a red day. Interesting. So I wonder what's going to happen to EMP in the next few days, right? Let's check out the other results. DNL, one of the strongest small caps out there. So here you can see that the moving averages are pretty tight, pretty close to each other. So If you look at the values, the EMA 13 is greater. And this, look at the values here. The EMA 13 just became greater than the MA 20 in the last trading day. So that's a buy signal again, right? So if you include the price action, that's a short-term breakout here. Next in line for DNL, we're looking at 960 to 980. Maybe if it's really strong, we can see it above 10. So who knows? Anyway, so that's it. You can now use your favorite crossover strategy in the Investa Screener. But wait, there's more. Since we want you guys to be equipped with the best tools, we decided that hey, maybe you guys want to anticipate the crossing of the moving average system. What do I mean by that? Since most of the time moving average crossovers are usually delayed signals. Sometimes it crosses when the price action is already finished or is already a bit high. What do I mean by that? So let's try this out. We added this option for you to anticipate the cross of the 13-day EMA with the 20-day cross. You see that? Moving average about to cross above. So So we're anticipating the cross. We want to see which stocks are about to cross, okay? So let's check it out. Let's see the results. I hope we see some. Okay, it's just loading for a bit. 31 records. So let's see if we get some interesting names. So percentage change wise, MBC, wow, but low value, 81K. Let's skip that. Let's sort it with the most value. So you can see GT Cap, BDO. These are solid blue chips. Then Mega World, but this one's interesting. MRSGI, Metro Gaisano. Let's check it out. Today it's been quite strong, and wow, you can see really high participation, right? So if I think this is the biggest volume if you remove the IPO day. Oh no, not really. So it's near the previous highest volumes. See here? Yeah, but this stock seems interesting, right? So if you look at it, instead of waiting for a signal in the short term, you see a price breakout there, and instead of waiting for your moving average to cross, right? The red line, look at the red line. It's still about to cross. Instead of waiting for that signal, our Investa Screener will give you the anticipated signal. So it will show you which stocks are actually about to cross, giving you a better advantage than those who are still waiting for the cross. So it totally depends on your preference. Sometimes traders like to follow the strict cross for confirmation, but then if you're already on the advanced level and if you're combining this with other useful tools, then you can probably find lots of value with this cross anticipation. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you like our new feature. We made it specially for you, and thank you for listening to our video. Till next time. See ya, guys.